up guys, it's Nash.
And it's Nish.
And welcome to another episode of Nash Nish.
If you're new to our channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button to get notified every single time we upload a new vlog.
So we're here today at the Hallyu Market in SM North Skydome. It's August 20th, Saturday. This is only a one-day event. Make sure to come here to see and check out what's in store. Come here because a lot of my idol journaling shops are here. So when you enter, they give you a wristband and it's 150 pesos per person. There's an included mini deco kit. This has sticker sheet and a top loader. So it's what it looks like. We're at the edge here at the view part. Pajama Fanatics night. Tommy albums, I have albums, even Kepler's newest album, which includes their comeback song.
Oh, big fan.
It is now finally time to show you what I got from the Hallyu Market. First, we got these 3 mini journaling kits which are included in your entrance fee of 150 pesos. So per person, you get one of these. They come in resealable pouches that are holographic. Inside, you will find a top loader, very appropriate for those who love decorating top loaders to put their photo cards for K-pop idols in. Then there's an included sticker sheet. It says Hallyu Market by Make It Live. It says here some sticker shops or brands. I think this is who they collaborated with in order to make this sheet possible. Up next are some products from Shop Daymaker. I was looking forward to this event because of this shop. I wanted to purchase some items. So there's a bundle deal. If you get 8 perfect A-grade sticker sheets, you can get it for 500. If you get them individually, it's 70 pesos. You get to save 60 pesos when you avail of the bundle deal. This top loader border is a freebie alongside this thank you note. So I got 2 of these abstract stickers in matte laminated finish. These are in 2 different new colorways. To match that, I got matching mismatched sticker sheets in the same finish. And then these 3 are holographic sticker sheets, holo stardust. There are little stars when you look closer. This is a lavender one, and this is a pink one, and a green one. That makes 7. And this brand new illustrated sticker sheet is my 8th sheet. It's matte laminated as well. This is the last A-grade sheet that I got. There's also another very sulit product from their shop, and that is their imperfect sticker sheets bundle, which includes 10 sticker sheets. This is called a Misfits pack. They all have some sort of issue, even though many of the issues are barely noticeable. This is only 125 pesos, but if you buy a Misfits sticker pack from this shop on Shopee, it's going to be 325. So it was so sulit na some poetry words. And this is a very new sticker sheet. It's like a collect book, so you can put a picture in the middle. You can peel this. Some numbers, top loader like frames. Again, you can put a picture in the middle of this. I like that they made use of the space in order to give you extra stickers. So a light and a dark version. Two of her illustrated sticker sheets. Holo Stardust, ribbon confetti type of sticker. These two are also in holo, but I think these two are in holo dots finish. I went back to the shop later on to get another Misfits pack because I thought they were super sulit. This is a new sticker sheet that wasn't available in the other Misfits pack that I got, and also as an A grade. And then another illustrated sheet, frames. And this one, I got this in holo Stardust finish, so this one's in matte laminated. Matte laminated, different colorway. And then an illustrated sheet. This one, I was so happy when I got this because I was hoping to get this in the B grade pack. I was thinking about whether I was gonna get the A grade of this or try my luck with the B grade pack, which had random content inside. So I'm glad I was able to get this alongside many other stickers. So this one is also in holo dots. All in all, I spent 800 pesos in Shop Daymaker's store. No regrets, very sulit, would do again. Pomelo Paints was also in the Hallyu Market. I like this heart seal. I got sticker sheets that are related to K-pop and also some that aren't really related to K-pop. This one is a sticker sheet based off of Twice's comeback, which is alcohol free, and it comes in glitter. I got Tamagotchi deco because look at those faces, they're so cute. Imnion's Pop, her solo debut. I got this sticker sheet because I really like these because they're based off of her LV costume outfit. I got two more sticker sheets. These two are in matte laminated. These are poker face characters, and this one is an alphabet sticker sheet with different shapes. For the freebie, I got two freebies. I just don't have the other one right now because I already used it, but this is a purple glitter bear. They also got a yellow glitter bear. All in all, I spent 400 pesos since the sticker sheets are 80 pesos each from her shop regardless of what finish. I already mentioned purchasing items from Dimples PH in another vlog, my BGC Art Mart and We Art Market haul, but I was able to see their booth again in this event, and as usual, I found things that I like. These two are old sticker sheet designs. I've been wanting to get them, but they were never available when I got into stickers. So when I saw these in the booth, I was very happy, and these are in glitter finish. So there's a purple version and a warm colored version. This is a new sticker sheet. I think this is based off of Red Velvet's Feel My Rhythm comeback. There are ballerinas, there's a carousel. Very cute and dainty. For the freebies, I got a bunch of sticker flakes, the stamps, and mushroom, and there's also a cute ghost. Some of these are in glitter, like these two, and these two are in matte laminated finish. There's also a piece of candy. Thank you. And a thank you card. Choosing my photo card freebie took so long, so I got a Wonyoung from IVE photo card. I think this is from the Love Dive comeback. These are unofficial photo cards. Each sticker sheet is 70 pesos, but instead of paying 210, I was able to get these for 200 pesos because of the bundle price. I usually buy from Peach Soul Studio on Shopee when I need alphabet sticker sheets, not really the character stickers. So I went to their booth and I got some alphabet sticker sheets, but this time I also got some decorative ones. I refilled my blue and pink bubble letters, and I also got this candy heart sticker sheet. All of these stickers are in glitter finish. For the decorative items, I got ribbons and bows in, I believe, soft mallows variation and gradient sweet roses. This is so pretty. I got a lot of freebies, thank you. So this is a glitter thank you card. She told me to pick two of these little mini sampler original character sheets, and I got these two also in glitter. These are additional freebies, so also original characters but in holo sparkle finish. I also got this sampler. Very generous with freebies. Thank you so much, Peach Soul Studio. Each of these sheets cost 60 pesos each, but if you buy 4, it's just 220. So I got everything for 280 instead of 300. I was excited when I found out that Art of Our Life was also going to be in the Hallyu Market. I bought a product from her shop. Not as many as I usually buy from Shopee, but the alphabets and the script products were not available, so I just got this Polko Oodles of Doodles in lovely lavender variation sticker sheet, and this is in Holo Stardust finish. I got this shop business card, so with the 2 brands of the owner. I also got this wildflower garland Polko with a frame freebie sampler. And this is also in Holo Stardust finish. This sticker sheet was 60 pesos. Thank you so much to everyone who watched my Hallyu Market haul, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'm looking forward to more events like these, and I will be linking the Instagram accounts of the shops that I bought from in the description of this video. So please do not forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell button to get notified every single time I upload a new vlog, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye!